Not wired, wasn't high, just clear, knowing what I needed to do and how I needed to do it. Those are the words of Eddie Mora from the movie Limitless. Who wouldn't want this? This is the recipe for success. In fact, he said in the movie, he said, I don't have delusions of grandeur, I have the roadmap. That's what we all want. We're all looking for ways that we can enhance this conscious life that we're experiencing and take it to levels that are far and above where we are currently living. And that's what Nootropics is all about. Nootropics is about ways to actually expand on the current limitations that we have in our human physiology and our human consciousness. And this world is out there, and very few people know about it, and even fewer people actually understand what it's all about. In this course, I'm going to take you through the world of nootropics. And the world of nootropics includes things like research chemicals. It can include things like supplements. It can include herbals that you can buy over the counter at the grocery store. It can even include some prescription medications. Now, I'm not saying everybody should go out and take these. In fact, I don't recommend that you should trial and error with these. You need to really do this under the direction of a physician that is actually well-versed in understanding the interactions and how these things work and the goals that you have in mind and what you're trying to achieve. And this is something you can find all kinds of information on the internet. So what I did is I put this course together to help people to understand this. And the course is designed for all levels of kind of the biohacker community out there, as well as the person who just is looking for something to enhance their ability to be creative, to be more focused. And I will take you through those processes. But in there, you're also going to find some in-depth stuff on brain neurotransmitters and some neurochemistry. So it will satisfy a lot of these biohackers that are out there looking for the actual science behind all of this. But you don't necessarily have to have a science background to understand some of the boots on the ground stuff that we're going to talk about as far as things you can do right now and things you can work with in the nootropic world.